Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great. I'm in the middle of cooking Sunday dinner. On Sundays, I usually cook a big dinner. So in between me, the meat's almost done. I have to start cooking my sides, but I figured let me jump on here and unbox the September 2018 Allure box. Now, let me just tell you about Allure. I really like Allure. Allure is probably one of my top 3 subscriptions that I really like. If you don't know, it is a $15 monthly subscription. But my Allure has been coming later and later and later. Every month. I used to get it fairly like in the beginning of the month towards like the middle of the month. I always got it. Now it's basically like the last week of September is when I always get it. So I'm not too happy about that. But I still like Allure, and I was debating whether or not to unbox it because it's so late in the month and everybody knows what's in here. But I want to do it anyway. So let's see what's in here. I do know what's in here because I had to peek. But let me show you what it looks like. So it always comes like this with a little brochure. And usually it has like a really pretty person on here, but not this month, so that's okay. And then it comes like this, and then this is what you get inside. So this is a really good box this month. So what I do like about this too, it tells you what everything is, and it does tell you the prices. So let's just begin. Okay, so the first thing I seen the spoiler, so I was excited to get this. This is from Drunk Elephant. This is the Sakari Baby Facial. Listen, is that how you say it? Let's see. Is it going to be? There we go. So this is a decent size sample. Let's see what it says and see the prices. Okay, so this would be $80 if it was full size, and it just says, what is it? It would be fair to assume that TLC stands for Tender Loving Care. This creamy fragrance-free peel has earned its cult status, okay, of 2017 Best of Beauty Award. So I enjoy getting skincare. It also has a little bit more info about it, which I do like in this little pamphlet that we get. So I was really excited to try this because I don't think I tried anything from Drunk Elephant before. Okay. The next thing we got is this coconut oil gel right there. Okay. I believe you could have got one or the other, the coconut oil gel or the Living Proof Full Day Volume Blast, but I'm excited to get this. This will be $29 full size, and if you enter Allure 20 and you will receive 20% off your purchase. It is from September 1st through November 1st, so that's good. And this is just for your hair, like a little oil for your hair, which I really like because I always have dead ends, you know, on the bottom of my hair. So I'm excited about really getting this. This is a MAC lipstick, and let's see what it says. I believe there were 2 colors you could have got. Yes, you could have got in Lustering or Ruby Rose. So you could have got like the pinkish color shade or the red color shade. And this would be $18.50. And of course you could buy it at MAC Cosmetics. Okay. I don't know if I showed you the packaging. I got the Lustering shade, so like the pinkish color shade. And that's what it looks like. Right there. So let me swatch it. This is like, I mean, it's an okay shade. I will definitely try it out and see. I wanted the red one, but it is a cream shade, which I do like. So we will see. Okay, the next thing we got is from a Tardis Pro. This is lashes right there. Now, I don't really wear lashes, but I'm going to start trying it. This was worth $12 in Tardis Pro Girlboss lashes. Of course, you get it at Tarte Cosmetics. I tried this maybe about the last time was about 6 months ago. me and my daughter, who is 18 now, and the only thing my daughter wears is lip gloss and mascara, and she was like, Mom, I want to start wearing eyelashes. So I always get plenty of them from the subscription boxes, so I was like, sure. So she was like, let's try and see, you know, who can put it on better, because she never put them on before. And either did I. So she puts hers on 1, 2, 3 with her fingers, boom, look great. And I'm like, well, I could do it. If she can do it, I can do it. I put one on and I literally glued my eyes shut. I don't know if I had too much glue or maybe I didn't let it dry all the way. I don't know what I did. Now I'm freaking out because it's like this. I mean, all I had to do was go like this. But when you're doing it, when you're going through that, you're getting like anxiety. She's laughing her ass off. I thought she was going to piss her pants. And so I never tried again, but I am definitely going to start trying. And the last thing we got also as well from Tarte is the eyelash glue, which I am so excited because a lot of times they'll send you lashes without eyelash glue. And if you're not used to wearing lashes or don't wear lashes, you may not have the glue. So that means then you would have to go and buy the glue. So I am glad that they included this. And this would be $9. Now, I don't know if this is sample size or full size. It doesn't say. But if you enter Tarte Allure, you can receive 10% off. Valid through September 10th through October 11th. So I really like this month's box. You know, we got the lashes and the lash glue. So thank you, Tarte, for sending both. We got the MAC lipstick. We got Drunk Elephant skincare, which I love getting skincare, and we got something for the hair. So I am the type, I enjoy getting skincare, hair care, and also makeup in my subscription boxes. So this was a winner for me. I really enjoyed it. I just wish I got it earlier in the month, but the box was great, so I can't complain. So what did you guys get? Did you guys get the Whyyy Roo, however the hell, the red shade, or did you get the pink shade? Let me know down in the comments below. And do you get this box? Let me know. Please like this video if you enjoy unboxings, because it really does help me out. Comment below and let me know what your thoughts are of this box. Subscribe if you haven't already. I do have a giveaway going on. I will leave that down below the video. It is an Ipsy giveaway, and as always, I will leave videos right here in case you want to click it on if you want to see more of me. All right, guys, I got to get back to cooking. Bye.